delegation.
Peace out.
Here's your rubber jockey straps.
There's our rubber jockey straps.
I don't know, there's a lot.
Paper? What the fuck?
Ooh, a lanyard and a cup holder.
Oh, these are all the sensors for the dyno.
Yeah. You gonna wire all up, or are you gonna pull a? You're gonna be able to print out dyno sheets on your first day.
Apparently two.
Holy shit! I'm gonna grab a drink on that note. Diego, would you like anything?
If I can get 80 amps out of this, I should be able to get it to 2,000 horsepower. 200 amp circuits here, because this is technically three bays in one.
Right.
So if I can get the wiring right, then we'll never have limitation. And that's horsepower. I'm sorry, not horsepower. It's torque is what kills it.
And it's Hurst purse. It's
First
horsepower.
horsepower. So for example, you could have like a 1,000 horsepower truck, but like a 2,000 horsepower Honda Civic would. Yeah, no, the hardware is solid for anything we can throw at it. It's how much juice this building can give it. That's our limitation.
What do you think's gonna be the first car on it?
I want to see Chris's car make like 99 wheel horsepower.
The Skyline? Oh, the GTSG.
On the side over there.
Let's put the Z on that thing. Let's see.
We could put the Z on it.
Let's see 200, all 200 wheels.
I don't know, man. It's hard to beat that cocoa butter.
I mean, I feel like a pregnant woman trying to like,
You ever got like a thick girl greased up in cocoa butter to like...
I like how nobody's noticed I'm wearing shorts.
Damn it, Pico!
Have you ever seen me wear shorts? Outside of Publix.
I guess I'm just gonna get some hooks. Okay, that's cool. Hooks. I'm gonna get hooks.
So excited.
Look at that face of excitement. There you go. Oh wow, Gigabyte Ultra.
Right?
Damn, I started really fast. But can it play Crisis?
All right. How do we get this thing on kilowatts?
None of the stuff is connected. That's why. Who's blowing in this to see if this is working?
Not since the accident. Rob's got it in his hand. Look at that. That's prime
have your
blowing
bag.
I'm
technique.
holding
serious?
it. I'm holding it.
Hold it for Dan. What?
Go ahead, Dan.
Fuck it, don't put your mouth. Smoker's lungs.
Come on, let's see what you can do. Come on, Dan. You peaked at 1.8.
Is that 1.8 bar?
No, Jesus Christ.
It's like 30 pounds.
So I mean, we're officially on. That's good. Calibrating so
I saw a
far.
video of them doing it.
So I'm at Roberto's shop right now, and he got a new toy in the mail. And looks like I'm the guinea pig to start it. Yeah, this is gonna be I don't know what's about that. How much power do you think I'm gonna make on this thing?
235.
You got any power predictions on this one?
221.
I'd say 235.
Power prediction? 233. Okay, so everyone's literally saying 230 something. The last time I dynoed this on Jack's dyno was like 238 on HP's dyno. And I've never seen, this is my first time actually witnessing a freaking hub dyno. Like I see these on like those Viper shops and everything, but I've never actually seen one in person. If you read it kind of fast, it says Pornhub.
It's pretty lame. Sounds pretty bad.
But Wob and Roberto are setting it up right now. They're just gonna try to line up the hub to the other hub.
Okay, bring it up again.
This is precision stuff.
Oh, that's cool. Scary but cool.
Be like, hey, pick me up.
Yeah.
Is that acknowledgement? Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Wait, do you spell soup with the U first, the O first? I've never been able to spell good.
What gear is that in?
Yeah, but remember, there could be so many things off right now. I don't know.
Did you give it the
I did. I mean, again, never be over this. You know, we just don't know. I don't know if the settings are right. There's probably calibration things that are now off. But cool. You're the first run. It's a blind run. I'm not familiar with this software. The specifics of how to run everything and do everything, but we figured we would just take kind of like the basic instructions from the manual and just make a run.
Hey, that's actually
And, we made a run, so this is the first. Congratulations! This is the first successful run of the season. I don't think it's accurate because I need to go through it and go to school for it, but it's a successful run. It works. Horsepower is not. I don't know how this dyno compares to other things. This could be 250 somewhere else. This could be 210 somewhere else. I don't know.
I mean, it can't be that bad because on Jack's dyno it was 234 the last run.
Oh, okay. I thought we were okay.
Yeah, 234.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you guys were basing this on much higher numbers. I was kind of confused about because the D's don't make that much power.
No.
Okay, yeah, this is okay. That's
It's actually, I mean, it's a lot. It's more accurate than like not.
I mean, it's a muggy night too.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we just made two identical pulls there. I mean, they literally made 234. So this is. Pico, you should have brought the Z. We can throw it on right now. I'll get it. Fuck it, I'll get it. Yeah.
You ready to get fixed, kitty?
Kitty, who's this mysterious person that's like hiding? Oh yeah? She's not even reading. She's reading a empty folder.
It's not empty.
It's Kitty's last day with his ball sack. You know, that sounds a lot weirder when I say it out loud.
Last time you put it in your mouth, Pico.
Damn. Oh my god. I can't get over the Z, man. The Z is like so deliciously pristine. Is it open?
Yeah.
Oh man. You ready to roll? So how much do you normally charge for like services like this?
It's like $25 usually per injector. These are a little more though because I have to rebuild them and do a bunch of crazy stuff with them. They're also 50 years old, so.
Oh, these are from the Z?
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't running very good, so the injectors were all over the place.
You think it'll help?
I mean, according to where we started and where we're at now, yeah.
Yeah.
I got 4 out of the 6 back to normal. They were all bad.
So if you guys are local in the area and you guys need your fuel injectors cleaned, yeah, you can mail them to Roberto and Roberto can clean them for you. $25 or so per injector. He's got like the real deal stuff too, not like the... This isn't the Harbor Freight one, right?
No, this costs more than most people's cars.
What is it doing right now? Just like running them?
This is a cleaner. This is an ultrasonic cleaner.
So that's how it's cleaning the...
It's a little bath that you just sit in there.
Okay.
In the fluid and then test it. So before, this was here, that one was here, that one was there. So now I just have these two that I'm
So you can see how even they are?
Right. So they're all mostly fine except for this one.
Okay.
This one's a little off, so I'm just gonna clean it again. Hopefully this one catches up. When it catches up with the rest of them, they'll flow the same, then we'll get ready to fill it back in.
Oh, okay. You just keep doing it until they're all even.
Right. I mean, there's that possibility that there's damage beyond repair, but usually when they at least flow somewhat close, it's no problem.
Then they're still usable.
So cool being down.
So what do you think about Florida so far?
Bro, I love it. I need to come down here like soon.
Come down or move down here?
I think we're just gonna drink the White Claws in the trunk and then miss our flight tomorrow.
Yeah, an accident. Molly, what do you think of Florida so far?
It's hot and
Pretty hot, isn't it?
yeah.
For sure.
Would you ever move here?
Yes. I need the better weather.
Hey, keep that footage.
Watching
Keep
Keep
that
this footage.
footage.
Keep this footage.
She says she's never said
Just in
that.
case.
Oh.
Just
You're
in
gonna hold
case.
that shit against me, huh?
So secret's out. Most likely these guys are moving to Florida. We don't know yet. He wants to.
Oh,
though.
we're moving. Oh yeah, we're moving.
Oh, he's
There's no reason we shouldn't, dude.
partially
It's dog
settled.
shit where we
He just met Chris. He just met ASM Chris Me. That's his hero.
Yeah, and I'm sweating over him just like he's sweating over you.
Did you get his autograph? Did you get his autograph?
Damn. I don't
So
even
you
know.
signed.
my fake
So
book.
Chris signs Dylan's forehead, and I sign Jonah's forehead.
There we go.
Like right there, Sharpie, right here.
His logo on my ass right